this session is very, very, very important. I cannot stress it more, because in this session, by the end of this session, you will have all the tools that you need to start writing very interesting programs. And I think the interesting programs are limited only by your imagination, right? So that's my kind of promise and pitch for this session. Now, let me tell you what we're going to do in this session. There's a lot of material. So please post your comments on chat and so on. I'll get to them as I can see them. I want these sessions to be interactive, so don't hesitate to ask questions or post on chat. Now, for this session, I want to first talk about very concretely about logic, right? And how logic is translated into very concrete programming constructs, right? So it's a wonderful, not just abstract rhetoric and abstract logic, but now very, very precise. And the beautiful idea here is that once we can make logic concrete, then our machines can be programmed to perform logical actions, right? And in a way, we are transferring intelligence to the machines, although programmatically by specific rules. Okay, so we'll talk about about logic in general. We'll talk about some logical operations, and then we will talk about how do we actually convert this into specific pieces of code. And the last thing, which is going to be really fun, is how can we make the computer perform repetitive actions. Okay, quick thing about learning tips. This session is going to be very practical, so please make sure that you write a lot of code and make sure that these patterns become part of your thinking process, and then try and apply these patterns to your life and see if you can make your life more structured and efficient. And please reach out to me if there's any way I can help you as you go along with this material.